Good morning, guys. This is 8 o'clock on the 19th of July, and I have a lot of pain still on the left side of my neck. But I had committed to someone that I'll attend his event, and because I'm supposed to coach him in comedy, and I had committed to him like 10 days back that I'll come and attend his event because I'm supposed to observe the event and kind of then see how that can be utilized for comedy. But the pain developed later, but I'd committed, right? So if I've committed, it's written in stone, man. I'm a man of integrity. Integrity is being able to do what you say you will, and it gets very hard for me to kind of back out once I say I'll do something, right? It gets very hard for me. I'm not like other people, right? A lot of people, most people in society don't fucking honor their words. I am going to Rohini in pain because I told someone I will come, right? So there's this line from Ramayana, okay, which one of my professors, when I was doing a travel course, he reminded us of when he was talking about integrity. He said, Raghukul Reet Sada Chali Aayi, Pran Jaye पर वचन ना जाए. So I'm going to Rohini, okay, and tomorrow also have to go to Delhi to Jantar Mantar. I'm definitely going. So it's 2 days of travel to Delhi, to and fro, and Rohini is very far. Rohini is farther than Jantar Mantar, but yeah, have to go. So I'm going. Alright, try to be happy, okay, regardless of pains, regardless of hardships, regardless of falling down, regardless of frustrations, regardless of things not working out. Keep at it. This is the only fight worth fighting, okay? The fight for happiness is the only fight that's worth fighting in this life. The fight for your happiness, the fight for happiness of people, the fight for the happiness of people you care about. That's the only fight worth fighting in this life, okay? So fight it till you breathe. This is a rapid metro station in Gurgaon, guys. I don't know, even some of you who are not from Gurgaon would probably watch my vlog. And Gurgaon has a rapid metro, which is not there in most cities in India. Obviously, there's a Delhi metro connecting from Delhi to Gurgaon on the yellow line, but there's also a rapid metro. It connects through Golf Course Road in Gurgaon. So this is Sector 54 Chowk station. It connects to Cyber Hub and comes back. So it has about 7-8 stations, right? So that's this is part of my India series. Okay, this is India. पावे कुछ ना मिले ते पावे मिल जाए लाख करोड़ मेहनत छड़नी नहीं. Listen to Sartaj. Listen to Sartaj. Hey guys, it's been a tiring day. Okay, I went to Rohini in the morning. At what time was that? I left home at 8 o'clock, and after that I'm returning now. It's 5 o'clock almost, and I'm waiting for the rapid metro. It's taking me the whole day. Like, I was there from about 10. There was an event I was supposed to attend. I was there from 10 to 3 I left, and it's about 5 o'clock. I'm waiting for the rapid metro right now. And the rapid metro is irritating because it takes about 7 to 8 minutes to come every time. So I'm waiting for the rapid metro, but it's been like the whole day is taken for me to go and come to Rohini, because it's about like going to Rohini is one side 2 hours from Gurgaon on metro, including everything. So it's taken me 2 hours to go, 2 hours to come back, 4 hours plus 5 hours to spend on the event. So total 9 hours of commute to Rohini. But it was important to go. This was some important meeting I had, which I committed like about a month back, and the pain happened later, so I couldn't excuse myself because I said in the morning, like, it gets very hard for me to back out once I commit to something. So I went there. I'm glad I went. I learned something, and I met the guy I wanted to meet. So all of that happened, and now I'm returning. I have a lot of pain. I booked swimming at 6 and 7 today, but I've just cancelled the 6 o'clock class. One, I'm very sleepy. Secondly, my pain is really sharp on the left side of my neck right now. So I definitely can't do 6 p.m. I'm not even sure if I can do 7 p.m. because 7 p.m. I've still not cancelled. But I don't know I'll be able to do because I still have a lot of pain. So yeah, that's what it is. So I don't know, I might just cancel that also. I'll go and rest a bit and see if I have any physical and mental energy to do swimming for even 1 hour. So that's the plan. I'll once I reach home, I rest a bit, have some tea. I'll decide then if I can swim still. So I've kept one class. Later in the evening there's one show at 10 o'clock. But today the whole day went in commute from to and fro Rohini. Now I'm waiting for the train at the metro station. This is the metro station, Sikandarpur. So I'm waiting for the train. I mean, rapid metro is one, it is very slow. Secondly, it takes forever to come. Like once I entered the station, the last train has just gone, and the next one is coming in about 8 minutes, and I'm waiting. It shows 2 minutes now, so 6 minutes I've already waited here. So yeah, I mean, that's been the day. I'm still in pain. That's affecting me, my mood, my exercise routine, my swimming routine. Everything has been affected. I haven't hit gym, dance, swimming in 2 days. Today is the third day if I don't go today also. And that's a long break. That's probably the longest break I would have taken in a few months, because I haven't taken 3 days break in like months now. So although the weekly the number of classes still a lot, it's still about 12, and still I'm on the top of the squad, but this will be a really long break. I mean, I'm not liking that I'm not being able to swim, dance or gym. I like all of that, lifting, dancing, swimming. I like all of that, so that adds happiness to my days. So if I were to look at the joy of the day, it's just the event I attended. It was an important event to attend from a work perspective. I learned a bit. 5 on 10 so far. So if I manage to hit swimming, the score might go a little up. But so far the day is 5 on 10, and I'm still in pain. But there's swimming and dance, show to look forward to if I manage to do that, right? Now the whole crowd will go because the train has not come in like 8 minutes, so it's crowded now. So I need to get in the metro. I'll see you guys. You know, last night in the show, there was this girl I was doing some crowd work with, and I asked her, so are you dating or whatever? And she's like, initially she said I'm a homemaker, and then I somehow came back to her and she's like, I'm single. I said, you just said you're a homemaker. And she said, yeah, I'm going through a separation. And she thought it'll get awkward, but I flipped the whole script in the spur of the moment, and I was like, oh, congratulations. So that's a great thing, because when you get single after being in a relationship for a long time, you're the happiest ever. And then I asked a couple, they were clearly a couple, and I asked them, are you guys dating? And she's like, they're like, yes. I'm like, I'm so sorry. And I like basically changed the whole situation, right? So I told the couple I'm sorry for them. I told this girl that, you know, she's supposed to celebrate. And clearly she liked it, and she found me online on Instagram and sent me a message. She said, you're great. Crazy shit. Alright guys, cancelled the whole thing again today. Like, I came back from Rohini, and after that I've had so much pain. Even during the journey to Gurgaon, I've had so much pain that I cancelled the swimming classes in the evening, which I had booked. Although the physio had said you can go, but I had so much pain, I just couldn't go. So 6 and 7 I had booked swimming. Then I was supposed to go for the show tonight. I've cancelled everything because I have so much pain. Like my neck, there's this part on the left side of the neck, there's such sharp pain. Oh, like I move my neck and it pains so much. I know how's this supposed to go. I've had 3 physio visits. I've rested for 3 days. No gym, no dance, no swimming. But the neck's not improving. So if I die, live a good life. Okay, try to be happy. मौत आनी है, आएगी एक दिन, जान जानी है, जाएगी एक दिन, ऐसी बातों से क्या घबराना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना. Hi guys, a day review quickly. Okay, damn, I still have pain, and pain is pain, whatever. But the day is 7 on 10. Okay, I was not planning to go for the show because I cancelled swimming, then I cancelled the show also. But then I got informed that 37 tickets were there, so the room was full. So I got tempted to go. I love the stage, I love making people laugh, so I went, and I did a 15 something minute spot, and I kicked ass. I made people laugh. I'm feeling good. All right. So I make people laugh. I make people happy. I feel good. That gives me happiness. All right. So the event in the morning, because which I went to Rohini, it made me really tired. I had pain throughout while coming back, but that event was productive. And I met a friend with whom I plan to work in the foreseeable future. So those are the two things sources of my happiness. I had to cancel swimming. This is the third day I haven't done lifting or dance or swimming, and so that kind of sad. But I mean my neck's paining, so somehow screwed it up. I don't know how. So that's there. But overall I'm feeling good now. Okay. So 7 on 10, guys. Surprisingly, the day I'm ending the day at 7 on 10. This is a pretty good score. All right, so try to be happy. I'm not dying very soon. Although I said it, but whatever. I keep saying it. But try to be happy. Try to be happy. Try to be happy. Okay, that's the only fight worth fighting. Good night.